Hello, my friendly shoppers. Today we are at Michael's and we decided to kind of pop in. It's a few days before Christmas, but let's see what they have left because I know people are still decorating, it's still shopping, and so let's go ahead and get started. Now, there was quite a bit. I was really surprised, and it's a good surprise too. But you have these pillows, you have blankets, and like I said, the poinsettias, and it's always good, especially if you have animals. The fake poinsettias, you like poinsettias, get the fake ones. The real ones are poisonous, sadly. They're so beautiful. But look at all this fun, still beautiful decorations. Now, you may be at a point where, like, I'm just waiting for the good sales. Hey, I don't blame you, so am I. I mean, look at these cute canisters. I really like those. I love those. So I'm basically waiting, like, okay, are they going to be 70% off? Are they going to be half off? Because a lot of stuff was already half off. And like I said, Michael's is still, some of it was 50% off. So we'll have to wait and see next week. Let's see if it gets, if it gets down even lower. I bought some of these last year and I got them at 90% off. So I love the red ones because the red ones are good for Valentine's Day too. And like I said, yeah, we're going right for one holiday and decorate for another. But like I said, Christmas is always the big one where everybody just decorates everything. And look at it. I mean, the pillows are so pretty and not too shabby. Not at all. I mean, I love all of those bottle brush trees were huge this year. And they're going to be back next year. So if you get some on a really good price this year, grab them. Grab them. I think they're fun. They're easy to decorate with too. Look at these fun pom-poms. And oh, they still had a bit of garland. And look at all of that. I know. I do need new garland too. And the wreath, I love these wreaths because you could do them yourself. Put together what you want. There's so many DIYs for wreaths. It's just put your imagination. It's just unlimited, really. All the fun. They still have countdowns, all the holiday decorations. Hey, look at these lanterns. Look at that. There's the mini little bottle brush trees. Oh, that joy was so cute. Oh, I love these mugs. These like little mugs, little joy to the world. You could tell. Yeah, they were $14.99. I was like, ooh. Honestly, I think if they were like $9.99 and then half off of that, I probably would have grabbed them. Yeah, that few dollars just makes such a difference. The cute little things. And I keep saying, I want one of these trees, and I've seen them everywhere. So we'll see after Christmas. Let's see if I can, like I said, I love getting a lot of stuff for such little price. And these boxes, these were huge. Now, it reminds me of the ones kind of like at Target, but the Target ones were way smaller. Now, these are much larger, much higher price, but if they go down, but at the same time, I'm not sure what to do with them yet, but, we would all figure it out. That's how we do it. We buy, and then we figure it out later. These beautiful, those do not light up, but, oh, aren't those pretty? Those glass trees. I'm being very careful. Try not to, don't want that crashing down on you. And if you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We are trying to get to our first 1,000 subscribers, and once we do, we are going to start monthly giveaways, and it's a gift card of your choice, which is going to be great. So let's keep shopping. Look at all these beautiful signs. Like I said, everything is 50% off, but it's so funny. Michael's, and I've noticed this with a lot of places, prices are going up everywhere. And so it's 50, it's like, okay, well, let's wait till 70% off. But like I said, if you need to get that, there's still great prices. Look, if you have little ones, you want to keep them busy for the holiday season, because they're off for a couple of weeks, or they're not even at school yet, you can still look at all these great crafts. These floor easels, our daughter had one. She used it a lot. And I couldn't find the prices of these, but I think when we got one, it was like around $25. That was the sale price. Like they were $50 in half. So don't quote me on that, but that's kind of what we got several years back. But look at these. Those fun. Those are $5 at 50% off. So only $2.50. Ornaments like that make a great gift for family members, especially grandparents. Oh, look at, oh, I love these tags. And I don't tag gifts anymore, really, but I still love those. Maybe one of these days I'll have to. And I think it's one of those, you have the intentions of having this fancy gift. I wait till the last minute to wrap, and then I'm just like, screw it. I just write their name on the bottom of the box. Things to improve on. But look at all the craft items. Okay, craft all year long. This is such a good time of year to stock up if you have an artist in your family or in your group of friends. Look how fun these are. So let's see if we can get closer on the prices. And these were such great prices. I'm trying to remember. I want to say these were like about $5. Yeah, no, okay, yeah, they're $10, half of that, $5. Not bad. They come with the paint. They come with the items, and they're already pre-drawn. It's a really good price. I'll be quite honest with you. I used to run an art stand, and we would charge $5, and so that is a really great price. And I would have to hand draw everything. But these art kits are. This time of year at Michael's, the art kits are a really, really unbelievable price. Even with everything going up, there's still a great price. So like I said, if you like art supplies, this is the time of year definitely to go grab it. Look at these glitter dot kits. And even if you're like, okay, well, Christmas is over, you know what? Stock up now. Save them for next year. I do that a lot. I don't know. You know, we always are stocking up for something, but and you know what? I have done that, and sometimes I've been so glad that I did, because when I would find stuff, it's just like, it's like Christmas all over again, really. But like I said, like these great paint kits, these kits are just so fun. Now look at these are $5.90. These were $5, so these are $2.50. That is a good price. And look at storage items. I'm going to suggest Target is my favorite place to buy storage items, the storage containers. Look at this fun jewelry. This was just so cute to get a little festive in your ears, add a little dazzle to your outfits. I definitely, I was like, I really wanted to get some of those, and then there was a line. There was a super long line, so I passed. So I'm hoping some of them are still there. And go back early in the morning. Like I said, everything is opening up bright and early. And try to get, look, here's your baking. Look how fun. That is a gingerbread man. You make a little cake, or if you want to make a big cookie. That was $15. All these sprinkles. Now, if you want to stock up on the sprinkles, I suggest, you know what I do? I put them in the freezer, and I've used them the next year. They have come out just fine. They haven't discolored, so that's why we have a big coffin freezer. So I do have the capabilities of doing that. And look at all the sister vinyl. Now, some of it is very Christmas. Some of it was just green and red. You can use that for Valentine's or St. Patrick's Day or any time. Look at that. Those colors, you can use those all year long. And it's a great time. I like the sister items. They stick well. Here's a melted if you make cake pops or any kind of decorations. The Wilton is not the best tasting, but it does the job. All your paper crafts. Like I said, this time of year is always good to stock up on your crafts. Get ready for the new year too. So everybody, thank you for coming along. I hope you are safe and well, and you got your shopping, and don't stress out. And everybody, we'll see you soon, and happy holidays.